So we're going to start with question 8. It says develop a multilinear regression model to predict quarterly sales using annual income and training hours as independent variables. It says include the regression output on this sheet set to Sage Rail 26. So the first thing we need is quarterly sales, annual income, and training hours, right? We go to data, we copy these three as we can see here, and we paste them right here. Now it says that annual income and training hours are both independent variables, which means they're x's, and our quarterly sales is y. The first thing we're going to do, it says what is the value of intercept of the regression equation. So what are we going to do? We know for a fact we're going to do regression. So our y input is going to be exactly that, and the x input is going to be annual income and training hours all the way down, right? We're going to hit A29 being right there. We're going to hit OK. Perfect. So now that we have this, first thing we're going to do is what is the intercept of the regression equation? Now we're going to find the intercept. If we can see somewhere here, we're going to find the intercept, which in this case is going to be this number right here. Now we go down and it says the coefficient of annual income, coefficients, annual income, and then the coefficient of, it says the coefficient of regression coefficient of training hours, which is right here. Now we go on to correlation, and we're going to select as the first array, annual income, just the numbers. We're going to press comma and then go to quarterly sales, which is what it's telling us right here. So we go down on that one, press enter. Perfect. Now it says what is the correlation between training hours and quarterly sales. We're going to do the same thing. Correl. We're going to go to training hours now. Perfect. Comma. And then we're going to select quarterly sales. Go all the way down to the 15. Now, it says what proportion of variability is explained by the regression model. Now that it says this, what do? It's just asking for the R-square of the regression model, which in this case, it is right here, R-square. Not the adjusted one, but the R-square itself. Now it says, what is the value of the F statistic to test the overall regression model? The F statistic is right here. It's the only one. It is visible and it is easy. Now it says, what is the predicted quarterly sales for a customer that has an annual income of 70,813 and training hours of 40? First thing I'm going to do is write down the 70,813 there. I'm going to grab the 40 hours of training and the 1 because you're looking for the person, right? So we're going to do sum product of these three, comma, of the quarterly sales, which in this case would be the intercept, annual income, and training hours. We check that off. We see that we're going all right. Perfect. Now that we know that, we go back to Q8. And now it's asking what is the residual for the customer in the previous question in his or her quarterly sales. We write down that 11,724, and we're going to minus that. Oh, we're going to do it the other way around. Sorry. We're going to equal this, grab this, minus 11,724. Oh, we're going to check that out. Oh, no, it's the other way around. Oh, no, perfect. That's perfect. We're going to check right here, and in this case, it's 339 minus 339.967. We're going to just do this the other way around in this case. It's going to be 11,724 minus this. Perfect. We check again. It's completely correct. Now, we know for a fact the p-value, right? We're going to change this and sort it to a numerical, to a number, right? Every single one. Number. They're all 0. In this case, they're all 0. So in that case, it's 0 and 0. And the conclusion in this one is that annual income, yes, annual income is a significant predictor of quarterly sales. And in this one, it's obviously going to be that training hours is a significant. We check our answers. Oh no. Yeah. We check our answers. And that should be the answer right there. See it? That is perfect. So we're just gonna, let's see this again. We're gonna grab the equal from training hours, and we're gonna grab the equal from here and just change those values. And in this case, it's 100%, right? That is question number 8. Done, fair and square. And we're on to the next. See you soon.